Hello, in this video, you will learn how to use the quick search box on the C.G. O'Kelly Library homepage to get fast access to our online resources. The quick search box is the search box located under the Ask a Librarian and Chat button on the library's homepage that says Search Books, Journals, and Online Material. To start finding resources, you would type your keywords or research topic into the search box. Let's say, for example, my topic is legalization of marijuana. I would type it in the box and click Go.
My search results will populate here. And then on the left are ways I can filter and narrow down my search results. Sometimes at the top of the results, there may be a box suggesting either specific databases or an article from one of our reference databases, as you see here with this article on marijuana from Credo Reference. At the very top, under where it shows my search, there will be the number of results that come back for my topic. So for my search on legalization of marijuana, I got over 300,000 results. And in the list of the results, you will see that next to each number, it has an icon, and then the title of the resource in red. If on the icon it has an orange banner that says Online, this means that the resource should be accessible to you online. If it does not have this banner, then it means we either don't have full online access or we only have the physical copy of the resource.
To ensure the results you are looking at is accessible online, you can select Full Text Only at the top of the left-hand column by clicking on it. A green check mark will appear to show I have activated this filter, and you will see my search number dropped slightly. In this left column, there are other ways to filter your search results, such as scholarly and peer review, limiting by content type. For example, maybe I just want journal articles, and then maybe limiting by publication date, and maybe I just want the last 5 years.
These quick filters allow me to quickly narrow down my results from 300,000 to 3,000. Now I can start looking through the search results to see if any are of use to me and manipulate any keywords if necessary. Once I find the resource that looks interesting, I can click on the title in red to access the article. It will open a new tab and redirect me to an Access by Proxy screen, where I just need to enter my username and password, just as I would log into my email or Canvas. If you have trouble logging into the eProxy, make sure there is not an issue with your password, and if there is not, contact the library for help. If there is an issue with your password, or it is saying you've been locked out of your account, you'll need to contact IT.
Once I'm logged into the eProxy, then the page should redirect me to the database where that resource lives. If for whatever reason you have issues trying to access the resources, for example, if it is showing as being online, but it's redirecting to a page asking you to pay, or you are not getting the results you need, please don't hesitate to reach out to the library or a librarian for assistance.